Today's Ask Jason question comes to us from Beth in California. Beth asks, Jason, my landscaper told me that I needed to pick up some vampire plugs for a Christmas lighting project we're working on. What in the world are vampire plugs and how do I use them? Okay, Beth, so vampire plugs, which are also known as slide-on plugs or Gilbert plugs, have been used by professional Christmas installers for several decades now. But it's only been in the last 10 years or so that this little secret of the pros has made its way into the residential market. Basically, by using vampire plugs in combination with our bulk empty socket light line, you can cut the cord to any length you want and add male and female plugs to the end. The advantage of this type of cord over a store-bought cord is that it can be cut to perfectly fit the application you are using it for. When you see homes and businesses with perfectly fitting perimeter lighting, they're using empty socket light line, which they custom cut and then add vampire plugs. In addition to using vampire plugs for empty socket light line, you can also use them with 18-2 zip cord to make custom extension cords, which allows greater flexibility and cleaner installations. So let's take a look at how to attach a vampire plug to a cord. First, we'll take the cord and make sure the end has a clean cut. No one cut between the wires by about 1/4 of an inch. Next, you'll need to locate which wire has the ribbed side. This will line up with the larger blade of the plug, which is typically on the right side. On some plugs, the side for the ribbed wire will be labeled. Otherwise, simply remember right goes with ribbed. But as a double check, it's a good idea to look at the larger blade and make sure that the pin is indeed on the right side. Once you orientate the cord correctly, place the wire as far down in the vertical section as it will go, and then bend the wire down into the channel with the 2 sharp connection teeth. Next, you'll take the back slider and simply slide it onto the plug, which in turn allows the 2 metal pins in the plug to make connection with the copper in the wire. And that's all there is to using vampire slide-on plugs. Again, these plugs can be used to make your own extension cords, or even more popular is to use them in combination with our empty socket light line to make custom runs of perimeter lighting for around your home or business. It's a great way to achieve professional results without paying a pro to install your lights. Okay, Beth, hopefully that gives you a quick overview of what vampire plugs are and how to use them. For more helpful tips and tricks, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be sure and check us out on our website at christmasdesigners.com.